Nice one, guys. So basically, as you can see, I just make it a while ago. It is onion trash and olive oil together. It is an amazing one for you to try at home. Remember to get yourself a copy of the brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. Here it is. This is what happened. The full video of this recipe is on my YouTube channel. How you can get rid of certain kind of various vein in your leg and on this your side of your leg and at your knee ankle section down there. There's a lot of parts on your section of your body where show those veins sometimes. We just was trying a brand new recipes, and this is what you can do. Try to do some natural home remedy. Get some olive oil and some onion leaf. Cook it down together into a boil, and the video is on my YouTube channel. You guys need to go over and watch it. All right. Yeah, a good vibes. So big up on yourself and stay blessed, and Merry Christmas from Chef Ricardo and the team. Bye-bye.